Take these steps to create a playlist for a Facebook page. The first step is to launch a web browser. Once the browser opens, visit business.facebook.com and log in with your credentials. You can see the web link here, business.facebook.com. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once it loads, you'll be on the home tab. Alright? The next step is to click on content. On clicking on content, you will be on this page. Click on playlists. On this playlist page, you will see this button here, create playlist. Click on that. You'll be taken to this page. Let's say this playlist is about Facebook tutorials. So I will give it a name. Then after giving it a name, click inside this place and then describe what this playlist is all about. Look at what my description reads in this case. This playlist contains video tutorials on how to use Facebook and the related apps more effectively. Learn some Facebook program tips so you can explain more. Alright, if you have any image that portrays what this playlist is all about, click on choose file on your device, then pick the image and then add it. But here I don't want to add any. So the next step is to click on this next button. So here it wants you to add some videos, alright, that you have already published on this playlist. So maybe there is a video you have published already that talks about Facebook. In this case, then I can type the keyword Facebook for it to show up. Okay. So it's scanning to find out some videos where I talk about Facebook. Okay. And you can see this one. I mentioned either Facebook on the title or in the description. So that's cool. But this one that has Facebook logo on my thumbnail means that I already talk about Facebook here. So I'll click on this, and then select few other options. Okay, so once you select some, the next step is to click on publish playlist. And with this, we have successfully created a playlist and added some context inside. So if I click on this see all playlist section, you will see Facebook will be one of them, which is this, that contains 4 reels, which you can call 4 videos. I believe you learned something already. Just consider subscribing and hitting the like button to keep learning. See you some other time.